Special announcement. If you know you love to have twins, gather here, I got good news for you all. Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vera. I bring to you okra water for conceiving twins. I don't used to believe things like this until my friend drank okra water and became pregnant. She's 2 months pregnant now with twins. So all you need to do is watch till the end to know exactly how to make it, when to drink it, just everything that you need to do in order to get a positive result. So keep watching. Also, do well to click the subscribe button if you haven't. I have so many interesting videos for you already and more to come. You're welcome back. So when making okra water, I want you to know that you can add more okra. Okay, I had to use only 3 just to show you how to make it. I didn't want to waste okra because if you've watched my videos, you know that I have a baby and a toddler. I don't have any plans of getting pregnant anytime soon. So drink the okra water first thing in the morning before breakfast for 3 days after your period. After your period, make sure to make a fresh one for each day. That means soak the okra for the first day, that same day soak another one for the second day, and then another one for the third day. Remember, after your period. This will boost your ovulation and help you to conceive. I also want to encourage you to pray while you drink the okra water because I'm a Christian and I believe that God has the final say. I pray that when you do this, you're gonna testify. In my next video, I will tell you other natural ways that you can also get pregnant. In case you can't stand the okra water, you have other options to try too. We'll also tell you the medicine that you can take if you don't want to do the natural way. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed and learned something today. Please subscribe to my channel, watch other videos that I have. The links are on my description box. And wait for more interesting videos like this one. Like and share this video. Feel free to ask me questions if you have any. Take care of yourself, be happy, and show kindness anywhere you are. I'll see you guys soon.